How do you remove background from images without losing quality? Well, we have two contestants, and by that I mean two website tools that you can use to remove background from images, and by the end of this video the winner will be determined by the quality of results produced by each tool. Now this is the image that I'll be uploading to the two tools, and I've downloaded it from Pixabay, and our first tool is called remove.bg. This is a website, and the second tool is erase.bg. These two tools will be competing against each other with the image that I'll be uploading. Let me upload for the first one, remove.bg, and then upload the same image to erase.bg. Side by side, we'll see the quality. After some few seconds, the images have been rendered, and I'll download the first image from remove.bg. The image is rendered in 500 by 500 pixels. That is the size. Now go to the second tool, that is erase.bg. I need to download it in HD. However, this cannot be determined by the looks. Here are my two images. The first one is by remove.bg and the second one is by erase.bg. The second image has been rendered in its original size. As for the first image by remove.bg, it has been rendered in 500 by 500. This is the original picture. It is 1280 by 1280. That is width or even pixels, and you can see the contrast. The two are very different, and even the quality. If I enlarge the remove.bg picture, you can see there is a difference. That is if I zoom in. We have two winners, that is remove.bg and erase.bg, because they have both done the work. Overall, who is the quality winner? That is erase.bg. Now, the only downside that you will get with erase.bg is the fact that you only have three rendering. You can only render 3 images until your credits are over, okay? As for the remove.bg, the rendering is unlimited. The only issue is that the quality will be compromised, alright? Another thing about erase.bg, you need to have an account for the 3 credits to work. But let me give you a trick. Create several Gmail accounts, or even have several email accounts that you can use to create accounts in the erase.bg, so that you can use unlimited. You can upload images and download them in HD unlimited. But that's a secret between you and me. And that's it, guys. Maxify is here to make you productive in the digital space. Follow us for more.